Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is November 8th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I am not a financial advisor. So please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, Palantir, great day today. Closed up 75 cents, 2.88%, closed at 26.75. That's pretty nice. Post-market, we are even up 25 cents more and at $27. Let's look at what we have on the chart. So we had this big bullish channel that we fell outside of, and now we are trying to climb back up. And this climb has been hard, trying. This climb is pretty much the same steepness as when we were climbing this big channel here. It's even a little bit steeper, but it's still not into it. I am a little bit peeved that we cannot get back into it. I'm not going to lie. This bugs me. Okay, so let's look at the 1 hour chart. So first hour of the day, very nice day, very nice volume, 340,000 shares. So we have not had this high volume since October 26th. This is nice. Went high super fast. Second hour also high super fast. A little bit of selling pressure towards the end of the hour. Then went sideways. And now look at this. We are touching this resistance perfectly. It's nice because this is validating this resistance. But what's less nice is that we are going down a little bit, but we are still above where we closed on the first candle of the hour. So it's not so bad. Remember, tomorrow, TradingView is having some problems because the earnings for Palantir are going to be announced. And most likely all of the results will be coming before the opening tomorrow. So I think maybe people wanted to get in before the earnings call. This will have a lot of impact, I'm sure. Let's look at the daily chart. So stochastic at 90, super great. RSI, we are still increasing. The strength in the stock is still increasing. And we made a little bit of a top in terms of the strength, and we are close to breaking it. So if we have a good day tomorrow, we should break it. And maybe things should go a little bit higher. MACD, the two lines are above zero, and DMI has a little bit of decrease in the red line, which shows the bearishness in the stock. So all in all, super great. Let's just be happy and let's just hope that we can close tomorrow above this resistance line so that we are officially back into this bullish channel. And to be frank, $29 need to be broken for a significant move in the stock. And I think this should be coming very soon because the $29 is right here. So if we can close above this resistance line tomorrow and have a good day and have a good week, we could be playing here. And from a technical analysis perspective, a stock that has maintained itself under 29, but being very close to 29 for such a long time, in technical analysis, we can make a prediction based on the technicals. We take this width and use it as a height, and this is where the stock should be going. If I just lower this down a little bit, we should be hitting $50 for Palantir. So this is the target. Yes, we have some middle of the road targets for the upper part of this bullish channel for those that have been following me. But once we break 29, we are looking at $50. Boom, $50 at least. So keep that number in mind. 29.50. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.